Alam nyo ba, healing doesn't mean you always feel joy. It means that when you face tough times or sadness, you have the experience and understanding to manage your feelings and get back to a balanced state. Kasi it's about coping and adapting, not constant happiness. Actually, natutunan ko nga dun sa Inside Out 2 na we face a different emotion. Minsan magiging si anger ka, minsan magiging si sadness ka, minsan magiging si anxiety ka, at minsan magiging si joy ka. And actually, that's life eh. Ganun talaga siguro yung buhay. Na mas mahihirapan kasi tayo pag kukontrolan natin. Na natutunan ko nga sa coach ko na sabi niya na, alam mo, if you will find happiness, you will never be happy. The true happiness is what? Kapag in-appreciate mo kung anong meron ka. At maging grateful ka sa kung anong meron ka.